This morning we're taking a trip to the Egyptian Spice Market, right across from the new mosque down in the Imanunu section. I was at the Grand Bazaar the other day and I felt a little claustrophobic in there. Everything was much tighter. The lighting was not good. And on a GoPro with 8-bit color, you'd rather kill yourself than try to correct it. So I'm thinking that this bazaar is a little bit bigger in terms of space. It's not as many shops as the other one, but we'll see what happens here. I just came outside of the market. There's more market outside, of course, but I just ran into an incredible coffee smell, and I can't find out where it's coming from. There's juice bars here, and toy shops or candy shops, but where this coffee smell is coming from, I don't know yet, but I'm going to track it down. Well, I found it. It's actually a coffee grinder for a coffee shop. They're actually selling powdered coffee. So the grinding of it is where the aroma is coming from. But I may walk out of here with 100 grams of Turkish coffee.
Hello. 1 kilo, 1 kilo, 1 kilo.
Turkish Delight is known locally as Lokum, and some of the shops here are gigantic. And it's more of a class of confection rather than a certain type, because there are so many different blends and ingredients that you can put in it that no one really knows, or no one would really say, I want a piece of Turkish Delight, because there's so many different flavors and things that they put in. The almost unbelievable has happened. Yesterday at the apartment, I was looking all over the place for a piece of string that I could fashion into sort of a necklace that I could attach the microphone to. I was even thinking of salvaging or cannibalizing one of the extra shoelaces I have. Anyway, walking through this market, I found a string store. Actually, an actual string store. They sold string all the way up to rope. So I now think I have my microphone mounting woes solved. I've been asked to buy a lot of things in the last couple days. In the last few minutes, someone was demonstrating a karaoke machine to me, trying to sell me a karaoke machine. Not sure what I would have done with that or how I would have carried it. But unfortunately, I turned him down. I said I was disappointed that I couldn't carry it, so I said no. One thing that never fails about Istanbul is that my sense of direction has never served me well. I have a good idea of where I am, but I could be 100% wrong. We're going to find out in a little while. But this is turning into a classic urban walk, where you just get out and walk. You don't really care where you end up. You just look for something familiar, like a metro station, or the Egyptian market, which has completely eluded me by now. I think I spotted it. It's actually in an old mosque, I think, or right next to an old mosque. If you ever visit Istanbul, of course, you're going to have to visit places where the Blue Mosque is, the Hagia Sophia, and probably Topkapi Palace, and of course the Grand Bazaar. But I would suggest that you not pass up the Egyptian Spice Market. It's, I think, in my opinion, a lot nicer than the Grand Bazaar. It's a lot quieter. It's a lot more spacious, and there seems to be more items for sale, especially if you're interested in spices and locum, or what everybody else outside Turkey calls Turkish Delight. It's like a candy. But there's also a lot of other things for sale at the Egyptian Spice Market also. It's not just spices, which is what I thought it was when I first got here. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Hey folks, thanks for watching. A recent study by J.D. Power and Associates found that 98% of those who subscribe to this channel have all of their wildest dreams come true. Think about it. Be seeing you.